Hello. Today I'm going to talk with you about rules for spelling verbs correctly in the progressive and past tense. Before we start, we need to review the different kinds of letters in English. English letters contain vowels and consonants. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. The consonants are all of the other letters. Notice that Y is on this list too. Sometimes Y is a vowel and sometimes Y is a consonant. Here's the first rule. Some verbs end with an E, but we don't pronounce the E. The E is silent, like bake and smile. We don't hear the E at the end. If you have a verb like this, you need to remove the E and then add ing or ed. So bake, we drop the E and add ing to make baking. And then we drop the E and add ed to get baked. Smile is the same way. We drop the E and add ing to get smiling. We drop the E and add ed to get smiled. Some verbs end with ee, ye, and oe. If you see one of these, do not drop the E. Just add ing or d to the end. Here's some examples. Free has two E's at the end. You keep both E's and add ing to get freeing. For past tense, you just add a D. So don't add an extra D. You only have two E's for past tense. Freed. Die ends in ye. We keep all three letters and add ing to get dying. And then to make it past tense, we add a D. The word dye means to change the color of something, like clothes or hair. This word is different from to stop living. That word is die. This one, dye, sounds the same, but it means to change the color of something. The last example is tiptoe, which means to walk around on your toes. It ends with oe. To make it progressive, we keep all of those letters and add ing, tiptoeing. To change it to past, we only add a D, tiptoed. Now, remember the vowels and consonants. Sometimes we have to look at the word and how the verb ends to determine the spelling rule. These two words both end with a vowel and then a consonant. The word travel ends with el. E is a vowel, L is a consonant. So we say this verb ends with a vowel plus a consonant. Admit ends with it. I is a vowel, T is a consonant. So this has the same pattern. The rule is to double the final consonant before you add ing and ed. So travel has one L. Traveling has two L's, and traveled also has two L's. Admit has one T, but in progressive tense, it has two T's, admitting, and in past, admitted has two T's. Some verbs end with two vowels plus a consonant. For example, treat ends with E-A-T. E is a vowel, A is a vowel, T is a consonant. Pour ends with O-U-R. O is a vowel, U is a vowel, R is a consonant. For verbs like these, do not double the final consonant before you add ing and ed. So treat has one T, treating also has one T, treated has one T. Pour has one R, pouring, one R, and poured, one R. This information came from this website, oxforddictionaries.com. If you want to see more, or if you want to look at the rules on one page, go to this web address and find all of this information. Thank you.